In front of me is Realme GT6, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Then click on this icon of a plus at the bottom left corner. And firstly, to add an audio file, select Files. Now look for your file by tapping on Audio at the top, using one of those apps, or clicking on those three lines at the top left corner to pick one of those sources. Either way, after finding it, hold it and click on Select at the top right corner to attach it. If you wish to add a video on, hit Gallery section instead of Files. Look for your video and click on it here. If you can't find it, select Folders and select it from here. Then add it by clicking on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!